Hi, this is David Martin with Hubbard & Ford here to show you how to put together the Mobius shade pendant kitchen pendant. I have in front of me the parts that would have come with your fixture, including the written instructions, 4 press-on nuts and the 4 studded nuts, the shade panel. A detail about the shade panel, which I'm going to be referring to and is also referred to in the written instructions, is that it has these letter designations. You can see a letter C and a letter L on this side, and then looking on this side you see they're actually backwards. That's because we're going to fold the shade in half like so. So this L over here goes in next to that L on the center of the shade so that they both read correctly. We're going to take the studded nylon fastener and push it through one of the holes, and then put it through the hole on the inner part of the shade. This would be the outside. That outside part stays on the outside of the cone of the shade. And we'll put it through the other half, and then put one of the press nuts on, like so. And then we'll go back and put in the second of the 2 fasteners on the outside, and line up it with the hole on the inside, and put that press fastener on. So now we have half of the shade attached there. We'll pick up another one of these pieces, and now we're going to line up the 2 letter C's. You can see if I roll this up, the 2 letter C's now read the same. And we'll take this half, which is the outside flap, and put it on top of the other one, putting the nut or the fastener through the upper hole first here. That upper hole, and then we'll put the nut on. Okay, so we got the first one, and then we'll go back and get the second one through. Line up those holes. So you can see that's lined up with the pin sticking through, and then we put the final nut on. And there you have a completed shade assembly with the 2 fasteners on each side. Looks like that. We'll go put it on the fixture and light it up. So here we have the kitchen pendant fixture and the shade we just put together. We also have a spacer tube and the brass ring that goes onto the socket that holds the shade up in place. So first step, we'll take the shade itself and put it up over the fixture. You can put your bulb on before putting the shade on in this fixture. Put that up in. We take our spacer tube with the washer part of it towards the top and slip that over the socket and bulb assembly there. And then you take your brass ring and slip that over as well and thread the ring onto the socket. There will be a tool that comes with this, I think, because you might not be able to get your hand in there, and you can use a tool that will actually thread the nut on, but I'm using my hands. So there you have the shade on the fixture. We'll turn it on. And there you have it. Mobius shade kitchen pendant.